Hi, Brian from Sipkens Nurseries here. This time of year, we get a lot of comments from our friends and people coming in. Wow, you guys must be taking it easy this time of year. And we're like, no, not so much. Well, what do we do in January and February? Well, we get ready for spring. So all throughout December, January, and through the month of February, we're bringing in the products that we need in our garden center for the coming spring season. So if you take a walk around, you'll actually find in our greenhouse that most products have arrived already. You'll find tomato cages, obelisks, plant saucers, baskets, artificial plants, pottery, wood stakes, propagation supplies, growing containers, all that product we've been gathering and sourcing from our suppliers, and now we're bringing it all into the greenhouse so that you can stock up on the products that you need for spring. In the greenhouse here, we have all your growing supplies that you need to get stuff started at home. We've got some indoor grow kits with lights and trays, growing medium. We have seeds available in store for all your vegetable transplants that you want to grow yourself. What are we doing in the greenhouses right now? We're starting all our flowers for spring right now. We've got geraniums on the go. We haven't started vegetables, but we do have all of our pansies planted. They should be blooming in about 6 weeks. So it will be spring before you know it. Come on in, explore the house plants, gather the supplies you need for this coming season, and say hello, because we get lonely in January.